The topic of discussion today are biomolecule. There are four types, sorry, of biomolecules that are required for you to learn in your A-level syllabus. The first one are carbohydrates. Second are your lipids, then DNA and protein. These are the biomolecules that you should know in your AS level bio syllabus. Now, what are carbohydrates? They are biomolecules with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms bonded together. One thing to remember is that carbon and hydrogen are always bonded in 2:1 ratio. Let me give you an example. Let's suppose it's a general formula of a carbohydrate that is C6H12O6. There, if you can see that the oxygen and hydrogen, for every oxygen, there is two hydrogen atoms. So that's why I say that the ratio between them is 2:1. Moving forward, there are three types of carbohydrates. How many types of carbohydrate are there? Three. One is a monosaccharide, then another one is a disaccharide. I'm not sure if I'm correct with the spellings. We're always pardoned for our spellings. Third one is a polysaccharides. There are three types of carbohydrates: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Let's discuss monosaccharides first. What are monosaccharides? Mono means one, and saccharide means sugar. Mono means once, and saccharide means sugar. So we are talking about, what are we talking about? We are talking about single sugar molecule. Okay? Monosaccharides are, I know my writing can be better, single sugar molecules that have the general formula CH2O. For every oxygen, there are two hydrogens that we discussed earlier. The main types of monosaccharides are, what are the main types of monosaccharides? We have trioses, pentoses, and hexoses. And it's a bit baffling, but once you understand, you'll gain command. Trio means three. So monosaccharides, a molecule with three carbon. That means a molecule with three carbon atom. Secondly, pent means five. So that means molecule with five carbon atom. Hexose means six. Hex means six. So that a molecule with six carbon atom. Now you got a good point. We'll discuss this further. Especially molecules with the pentoses, pentose and hexose molecules can form closed chain structures. They can form closed chain structures. Going to discuss discuss. So next up, we're going to discuss are isomers. Now, what are isomers? Isomers are molecules with same number of atom, with same number of atoms, but different structures. Now, isomers are molecules with same number of atoms, but they have different structures. I.e., for example, glucose molecule. Glucose is an hexose sugar as a monosaccharide. Glucose molecule forms a hexagonal structure. Hexagonal structure with two isomers. Can you name them? The first structure that we have, that is your alpha glucose. And the second structure we have is your beta glucose. Now, alpha glucose and beta glucose are isomers. They have the same number of atoms. They all have the same number of atom as C6H12O6, but they're different arrangements that we'll discuss in our next class.